some people cannot even change. Baon-baon na nila sa langit yung mga masasakit na alaala nila. Ang dala pa rin nila negativity and toxicity because they are not willing to change. The next level is you can change right away. Ibig sabihin, kaya mong magbago in a snap. Hindi ka okay ngayon, kaya mong biglang okay ka. Nag-away ka ng jowa mo, pero in a snap, you can change how you feel, how you think, your physiology, so you can close the deal. Kaya mong mag-show up, kaya mong humarap sa mga tao regardless of how you feel. That's the second level, and this will bring you millions of money if you can handle your emotions right away. But here's the catch, guys. Level 3 is you can change or influence the environment. Ibig sabihin, kaya mong impluwensyahan yung environment. And for most people, for most of us, pag malungkot yung place, nalulungkot din tayo, nai-impluwensyahan tayo. Pag negative yung place, nai-impluwensyahan tayo. But the third level of mastery in state management is you can influence the environment. Na malungkot sila, pag dumating ka, masaya sila. That maybe a lot of people are doubting, a lot of people have fears, pero pagdating mo, they feel secured, they feel warm, they feel confident around you. That's the highest level of mastery when it comes to state management.